As organizations transition to support cloud-based applications and a distributed workforce, the traditional routed WAN needs to be upgraded to an SD-WAN architecture. But replacing hardware across your organization can be expensive and time-consuming. Fortunately, the power of Cisco DNA Software can allow you to upgrade to SD-WAN without replacing your current routers. These three families of Cisco routers support SD-WAN software, and this video will show you how in 3 easy steps. Set up your SD-WAN controller, convert your current router software and configs, and provision your routers with the new SD-WAN software. First, let's set up the SD-WAN controller. To start, navigate to software.cisco.com to download the images for each controller. Type in SD-WAN. Here you will find the software image for each controller. The vEdge cloud corresponds to the vBond controller. The virtual machine can be hosted in the cloud or installed on a local server. Since we are deploying locally on an ESXi, we will use the VMware images. Download the image for each controller. Next, navigate to ESXi and create virtual machines using the downloaded .ova file for each controller. Thick provisioning is recommended, and uncheck the Power On Automatically box since you will need to define your database size before power on. Repeat the process for the remaining 2 controllers. Follow best practices to complete setting up your VM and consult the Cisco SD-WAN controller setup guide for server specifications. Now we need to convert your legacy router configurations to SD-WAN. Cisco has created a tool located at converttosdwan.cisco.com that can be accessed by your Cisco partner or Cisco support account manager. This tool will analyze your current router configuration and convert it for use with SD-WAN, saving countless hours of configuration work. Start by uploading your current router configuration file to the tool. The file contents will be displayed in a CLI window. Click Next to validate the file. The tool verifies that the router model is supported and that your configurations will convert to SD-WAN. Any legacy routing features that are not supported will be flagged and workarounds suggested. Now select the device where this configuration will need to be written. Now select your tunnel interfaces and SD-WAN system information. Click Next for validation. Now export the converted file to your vManage controller that we just set up. Enter the location and credentials of the server. Click Next. And now our converted SD-WAN router files are on the SD-WAN controller and ready for provisioning. Now we're going to upgrade the edge routers using our Quick Connect workflows. Open vManage and go to the Workflow section. Select the Quick Connect workflow. Now we need to locate the routers that we want to provision. The quickest way to find these devices is in our Cisco Smart account. Here are the devices. I'm selecting all of the ISR 4000 routers first. The conversion process will have configured the addresses, but you can adjust these here. Next, add the IP for the server and site, and click Next. On the summary page, verify that all your routers are listed. Now, deploy. Congratulations, you're done. Learn more at cisco.com/go/SD-WAN upgrade.